Meet this machine, the all-in-one solution for your metalworking needs. High-torque power spindle output with Z-axis linkage can realize compound machining, such as turning, milling, boring, drilling, grinding, and tapping, etc. With a 22 kilowatts spindle and 85 millimeters spindle bore, it tackles hard metals up to 630 millimeters in diameter, eliminating bottlenecks. Built for stability and accuracy, it conquers complex parts and tight deadlines. Its solid construction guarantees consistent accuracy, delivering top-quality results every time. Ready to transform your metalworking shop? It is your key to boosting productivity and achieving manufacturing excellence. We are your partner for providing excellent returns on investment with special metalworking solutions.